To add Zelle to Shopify and use it as a payment method, you will need to follow these steps. First, ensure that you have a Shopify account and a Zelle account, as this will be necessary for the integration process. Start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Then navigate to the Settings section, which can be found at the bottom of the page. In the Settings section, click on Payments to view the available payment gateways. Click on the Add Payment Method button. Then select the third-party providers option. Search for Zelle in the search bar. But note that Zelle is not a pre-integrated payment gateway in Shopify, so you may need to use a third-party app to integrate it. You can install a third-party app that supports Zelle, such as the Multiple Payment Gateways app or the Payment Gateway app. Once you have installed the app, follow the app's instructions to configure the Zelle payment method. During the configuration process, you will need to enter your Zelle account information, including your Zelle email address or phone number. After completing the configuration, the Zelle payment method will be available to your customers at checkout. To test the Zelle payment method, create a test order and select Zelle as the payment method. This will ensure that the integration is working correctly and that customers can successfully complete their transactions using Zelle. It is also important to note that you will need to comply with Zelle's terms of service and ensure that your business is eligible to use Zelle as a payment method. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully add Zelle to Shopify and provide your customers with a convenient and secure payment option.